Hello everybody, welcome back. This is another faux leather glitter canvas bow. This one is a really pretty scallop bow that I purchased a while back and shamefully I have not used. So we're going to be going through that and I will be linking that down below as well as the pack of glitter canvas and faux leather that I got off of Amazon to use for this. The clip I'm using standard for this style is the alligator clip. This one is a 2 3/4. So there's that. I will hopefully have that clip linked down below. These are the pieces you are going to need. First off, you guys know I love to attach my clips to the back before we really get into the bow. This one can be cut out on the Cricut. I was crazy and decided to cut it out by hand. I'm going to tell you those scallops are a nightmare to cut out by hand. If you were going to do this bow and you don't hate yourself, I would suggest at least cutting out the scallop pieces on your Cricut. Or if you like a challenge, by all means, hand cut it. I'm going to say, though, part of the way through cutting them, I really started to hate myself. And by the time I reached the end, I was really starting to hate bows. I invented new curse words during the process. I would really highly not recommend it unless you want to punish yourself. However, if you don't have a Cricut, I understand you have no choice but to cut it out by hand, and I am very sorry. And I will be there with you, a la Katniss from the Hunger Games with the District 12 signal. Because this was really not something I recommend anybody doing. You're going to glue tabs to centers here. It's a really quick, easy bow. If you are going to be doing this and you're doing solid color like I am, layer faux leather and glitter canvas together. Don't put glitter next to glitter. You're going to want to layer it. Now this piece, according to the tutorial, the paper tutorial with pictures that came along with this. That's why I like her templates. It will be linked down below. She gives just written tutorials on how to do these. I, however, do not work well with written directions. I like to see videos, which is why I make videos for you guys, because I don't learn very well by reading. I learn by visual. And once you've glued the center, you're going to glue tab to center on the back, making sure that it covers that faux leather bottom layer. And this is why I say you're going to want to alternate between glitter canvas and faux leather. The shiny faux leather underneath really makes the glitter canvas stick out, and for some reason that did not stick. So we're going to glue one more time. I have a feeling it's the faux leather, and we're going to quick move to attach this here. I really should have used the chunky glitter, but I wanted to get a couple of different textures in here. So please forgive me for using fine and chunky glitter together. I also wanted to get a couple different colors of blue in here. And I thought if I used the fine glitter, the chunky glitter would stand out more, especially with the center wrap. So you're going to glue the bow portions onto the spikes. I like to come back and just fluff up the loops a little bit. Make sure your center wrap is nice and tight. And drop a dollop of glue inside. Heat seal the cut ends. It kind of melds the two together. And there you guys go. We have this. This is called a Scallop Lotus bow. And that's what I'm going to be calling it here, because that's what the template is for. But we have a very nice, gorgeous blue Scallop Lotus bow. These would be great to make in school colors for Spirit Week or to wear with uniforms. Make them in solids and do one of every color. Whatever you guys want to do patterns in solids. It's a really nice, cute, simple bow, and one you can stack and have quite a bit of in your collection, because it's about just over 3.5 inches wide. So it's not a huge bow. It's one you can wear for a variety of different ages, and you can have quite a bit of them in your stash. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button. Also remember to click into the description box so you get the links for the supplies as well as the patterns, or templates, not patterns, as well as the templates. I do not get paid if you purchase the templates. I'm just linking you the ones that I purchased so that you can go ahead and purchase it yourself. I will, however, say I really like her templates. They're usually the ones I go to buy the most. So, that being said, check the description box for all of the pertinent links. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. I would really recommend clicking the subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon for my subscribers. So, to be entered in the giveaway to win ribbon, you will have to be subscribed. Once you've subscribed, please click the bell button next to that. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the box below. Also, if you have any suggestions for Disney princess bows in the series, please leave those down there below as well. Any questions, comments, or suggestions can also be left on our Instagram. You can send me a DM and I will answer it for you. Next week, we are going to be doing something different. It is not going to be a bow. We, however, are going to be matching a bow for a necklace. So this is the bow. It's going to be our Easter video. It is a bitty boutique bow with a twist. It has a piece of glitter canvas in there from a French bow template. If you are interested in seeing a video for this, please let me know as well. I'll be happy to do a video showing you how you can incorporate some French bow pieces into your ribbon bows. But we're going to be doing a bubblegum bead necklace to match this, so make sure to tune in next week. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!